Okay, so we've imported our data analysis package pandas and our plotting package here, and we've read in the data and we've checked that it's looking sensible. Now let's plot it. So I'm going to delete this and use the plot command. Now the plot command is from this Matplotlib package, so we need to start it with a shortened PLT we've decided appears. So do a plt.plot. And now we need the name of the x-axis. Now what we can do, let's plot the redshift against the distance. So what we do is type data.z, comma, data.d. We also need to tell it what format we're going to use. So we can plot lines, we can plot pods, we can circles, we can plot crosses, and we do it in different colours. I'm going to do, let's say, red, R, and I'm going to do circles, O. So RO means red circles. So let's shift enter on this. And we have our graph with red circles. We could change it to be blue crosses if we wanted to. Or K is black. Dots, black dots. Anyway, let's go to, I don't know, green circles. Okay, now let's say we want to put some axes, and after the plot command we'd do a plot.x label to label the x-axis, and we can call that redshift, Z. And plt.y label, let's call that distance. So now it's got the labels on the axes. There are a million other options we can put in here. We can change the thickness of the lines, we can change anything we like. If we want to save the file, we do plt.savefig. Give the name we want to save it as, so I know test, and what format we want, like a JPEG or a PNG. I'm going to do a PNG. And if you want it to be high quality, we need to set the dots per inch equals 300. It's usually pretty good. And if we do that, they'll now have appeared in the same directory over here. You can see that there should be a file called test.png. And if we go to that directory, we can see test.png, and it's a nice high quality image suitable for publication. And you can save it in many different formats.